You probably used artificial intelligence today, not a robot, not a chatbot, not something futuristic, something quieter. AI didn't arrive loudly. It arrived inside the systems you already depend on. When you open a Maps app, it doesn't just show roads. It predicts congestion, reroutes traffic, and adjusts travel time in real time. Delivery fleets use similar systems. Airlines constantly recalculate schedules. Shipping companies optimize routes based on weather, fuel cost, and volume. These aren't static systems. They're adaptive models, learning from millions of data points. Most people experience it as convenience, but behind that convenience is automated decision-making. Inside warehouses, AI systems predict demand. They decide how much to stock, where to place items, how to route packages, how to minimize delivery time. When your package arrives tomorrow instead of next week, that timing is often algorithmic. No announcement, no visible sign. Just a system adjusting quietly in the background. Prices now move in response to demand, behavior, and prediction. Flight prices shift daily. Ride-share costs rise and fall by the minute. Retail inventory systems adjust discounts automatically. AI models don't just react, they anticipate. They forecast demand before it peaks. And those forecasts influence what you pay. Not through a person making a call. Through systems trained on patterns.
Checkout. The discount is applied automatically and the total is updated in real time. The price you see is the price you pay. Clear labels make it simple to understand what an item costs before it ever goes in the cart.
The content you see is often filtered before you see it. Recommendations aren't random. They're ranked by predictive systems measuring likelihood of engagement, similarity to past behavior, probability of interaction. You rarely notice the filtering because it feels natural, but it's structured. The pattern is consistent. You take an action. Data is processed. A model evaluates options. An optimized result is delivered. Route adjusted. Price changed. Content reordered. AI isn't replacing your daily life, it's shaping it. Artificial intelligence didn't arrive in humanoid form. It arrived in routing systems, in logistics networks, in pricing engines, in recommendation filters. It became part of infrastructure. And infrastructure is easy to overlook until you realize how much of it is automated. The systems around you are becoming increasingly self-adjusting. Not dramatic, not theatrical, just quietly embedded in everyday life. And when something becomes invisible, it becomes easy to underestimate. Not knowing is expensive.